We are starting a very new first chapter of the class 9 course. It is also we have discussed or we are reading class 8 also, okay? And we are going the first chapter, that is the measurement in class 9, and it is also included in the class 8 also, okay? First chapter is the measurement. What is measurement? It is the process of or method of comparing the unknown quantity with known physical or known or this one. Yes. Okay. The process of or method of comparing unknown physical quantity with known or standard quantity. Okay, it is called the measurement. And measurement is the very important process in our daily life. We have to measure the different substances in daily life. Okay, so if you go for the market or you have to buy some substances, and that substance are measured by the different standard quantity. Such as if you buy a sugar, it is measured by the bean balance, okay, or the spring balance. If you cooking the milk, then you have to measure the how much rice you have to put for the cooking. Okay, these all are the measurement process. Okay, हामी चाहिँ सबै कुरा चाहिँ मेजरमेन्टबाट चाहिँ गरेर हुन्छ मेजरमेन्ट इम्पोर्टेन्ट प्रोसेस हुन्छ ओके अब यो मेजरमेन्ट के हो त भन्दाखेरि प्रोसेस अफ मेथड अफ कम्पेयरिङ द अननोन फिजिकल क्वान्टिटी भनेको तिमीलाई थाहा छैन ओके जस्तै तिमीलाई कति सुगर चाहिन्छ यु डोन्ट नो ओके 1 केजी 2 केजी कति होला त्यो 1 केजी र 2 केजी मास भनेको के हो स्ट्यान्डर्ड क्वान्टिटी हो ओके अनि त्यो स्ट्यान्डर्ड क्वान्टिटी साथ कसलाई कम्पेयर गर्छ त दिस वन इज कम्पेयर द अननोन फिजिकल क्वान्टिटी दैट मीन्स द सुगर राइस ओके बिस्किट्स एसेट्रा ओके त्यो चाहिँ हामी के गर्छौं त त्यो मेजर गर्छौं जस्तै बिस्किट्समा पनि हाम्रो दिस मच ग्राम भनेको हुन्छ ओके यु बाइ द चाउचाउ अल्सो ओके देयर इज अल्सो द नूडल्स हैव अल्सो द स्मॉल ग्राम दिएको हुन्छ हो that means the all substances are measured all the physical substances are measured अब measurement कुरा त इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ we have to do or we are doing the measurement भन्ने कुरा थाहा हो त यहाँ मेजर सबै सब्स्टेन्सहरु गर्न सकिदैन ओके we can't measure the all substances only the physical substances physical quantity can be measured okay can be measured. के हो त physical quantity भन्ने? Physical quantities mean those quantities which can be measured. Okay, which can be measured are called physical quantity. Which can be measured are called physical quantity हो. यसलाई हामी physical quantity भन्छौं. अब physical quantity मा के पर्छ त भन्दाखेरि जस्तै example को लागि rice, sugar, okay, अनि यो पछि आएर हामी अब के युज मेजर गर्छौं. We can measure the different goods, okay, temperature, then after length, mass. These substances can be measured, right? Use and quantity हरूलाई के भन्छौं त? These are the physical quantity. सबै के हो त? Physical quantity हो. They can be measured. अब non physical quantity भने कस्तो छ? Those quantities which cannot be measured are called non physical quantities. Okay, non physical quantities. Non physical quantities. That means those quantities which can be measured are called non-physical quantity. Example के होता है इसको? Another example.
Anger, hungry,
then after
love,
sadness, hunger, etc. Okay, we cannot measure the how much anger you have. Okay, you are how much you love your parents or your friends, or how much you have a sad, or how much you have the sadness, or how much you are hunger. Is it gonna supplement? That means that these are the non-physical quantities. We can only feel that. Until we can feel, but we cannot measure. Okay, they are called non-physical quantities.
Quantities.
Physical quantities like measure we need a what? We need some units. What? Units. If you are measuring the physical quantity, for measuring the physical quantity, okay, you need a unit. What is unit? Can you define the unit? Can you define? Unit is the This is the standard quantity of same kind with which or by which we can
Puedo asentar vale. Oh, भाई साहब
by which we can measure the physical quantities. Standard, it is the standard quantity of same kind by which we can measure the physical substances or semi-physical quantities. अब युनिटमा हामी चाहिँ डिफ्रेन्ट युनिटहरु थाहा पाउँछौं हो अब त्यो मध्येमा पनि हामी युनिटहरुमा चाहिँ के छ भने दे आर डिफ्रेन्ट युनिट सिस्टम इन लोकली है लोकली पनि हामी के गर्छौं त डिफ्रेन्ट युनिट्सहरु युज गर्छौं we use the mana kati okay we use the beta hat in a locally okay locally हामी चाहिँ धेरै कुरा युज गर्छौं धानी these all are the local units right local units what these are the local units local unit के पर्छ माना पाथी धानी etc. Okay. Sometimes we use our finger, your palm also. Okay. You can use also. Local units are not the reliable. Okay. Reliable. Oh. You saw it how much you utilize. You are same thing measurement didn't. Just like कसैको माना सानो हुन्छ कसैको माना ठुलो पनि हुन्छ स्ट्यान्डर्ड हुँदैन यो सबैको एउटा सेम हुँदैन ओके काठी पनि त्यस्तै हुन्छ धानी भनेको सबै ठाउँमा एउटै हुँदैन ओके सबैले एउटै युज गर्छन् छैन कसै धानी युज गर्छ होला कसैले के अरु युज गर्छ हो भनेपछि these are the local units which are not reliable which are not uniform for all places so there is the another unit is introduced that is the standard units okay standard units mean those units which are same for all places and which gives the accurate measurement for the all substances okay त्यसलाई हामी के भन्छौं standard units भन्छौं हो अब standard units पनि के छ त there are a different system of standard units है standard unit
यो नेपाली सिरुसाले
okay जसमा चाहिँ के छ त भन्दाखेरि there are 4 system of units you have already studied in the classic also okay that one is first one is the F standard unit system a system of unit okay this one say first one is CGS system second one is FPS system third one is the MKS system and the fourth one is the SI system okay what is CGS system the CGS system stands for it is the system of measurement in which length is measured in centimeter then the Mass is measuring
Kilogram.
gram only, okay? Gram.
Okay, sir.
Then time is measuring
Second.
second, okay? Yes. And another is the FPS system in which it is the system unit in which length is measuring F for foot or feet, we can say, okay? And mass is measuring a pound, and time is in a second as previous, okay? Then second one, third one is the ampere system. It is a system unit in which the length is measured in meter. Yes, m for meter. M for meter. Meter. Then the mass is measured in the kilogram. Okay, then the time is in a second. Okay, it is the MKR system. Now, the other name of CGR system is the French system. French system mansa FPS भनेको चाहिँ British system, and the MKS is also known as the metric system. Okay. Now SI system, we go for the SI system. SI system is the one of the improved version of the MKS system. Okay, MKS system is the improved version. SI system is the improved version of MKS system, which is established or introduced, introduced in 1960 AD. In 1960 AD पछि चाहिँ यो स्ट्याब्लिश भएको हो। वर्ल्डको सबै चाहिँ जुन वेट्स एन्ड मेजरमेन्ट ब्युरोजहरुको एउटा चाहिँ कन्फरेन्सबाट चाहिँ यसलाई गरेको, यसलाई इम्प्रुभ फर्म अफ एमकेएस सिस्टममा चेन्ज गरेर यसलाई के गरेको थियो। इट इज introduced for the measuring system. Okay, in a SI system we have 7 different units that measure the physical quantities. Okay, what are the 7 different ones? We have said first nouns are meter, units na meter also. Then second is the kilogram. Third one is the second. Third one is the second, and the fourth one is the Kelvin. Fifth one is the candela. Candela. Sixth one is the mole, and the seventh one is the
Ampere.
Sorry?
Ampere.
Ampere, not ampere, okay? Ampere. Now, यो SI सिस्टममा चाहिँ के गरेको छ भनेदेखि एम्पियर सिस्टमको तीनटा युनिट छ जसमा मिटर किलोग्राम र सेकेन्ड छ हो मिटर फर के को लागि मिटर फर लेन्थ मेजरमेन्ट अफ लेन्थ लागि हो एन्ड किलोग्राम फर के को लागि किलोग्राम फर द मेजरमेन्ट अफ मास ओके एन्ड सेकेन्ड फर द मेजरमेन्ट अफ टाइम केल्विन फर मेजरमेन्ट अफ temperature okay and a candela for measurement of intensity of light or luminous intensity okay intensity of light next one the mole is for the measurement of amount of substance then the last one the ampere is for measurement of current electricity current okay in this way the SI system have given the 7 fundamental units for the measurement of different physical quantities okay in some case of problem confusion sign eh? Okay then we move for the another topic that is the types of units. That are the types of units. We have basically two types of units. They are the fundamental and derived units. Yes. Fundamental and derived units. Types of unit. First one is fundamental. Second one is derived units. Okay. Fundamental units mean those units which does not depends upon the other units are called fundamental units. Fundamental units. Fundamental units. So example के हो सक्छ त example हामीले भर्खर लेखेको के छ मिटर kilogram second ampere etc. Okay, these are the fundamental units. They does not depend upon the other units. It's an all one depend. Oh, using singly established. Okay. Next one is the derived units. Those units which are depend upon other fundamental units are called derived units. Okay, example के हुन सक्छ त derived unit हो जस्तै you measure of density के सँग मेजर हुन्छ kg per meter cube. Okay, the derived unit, the unit of the density is kg per meter cube. It is a derived unit because it is formed by the combination of kg meter into meter. Okay, meter cube means the multiplication of meter by 3 times. Okay, next one is the area, meter square. It is formed by the meter into meter. That means it need a 2 meter. It are fundamental units. Okay, next one is the volume, meter cube. It is also the derived unit, and there is also other units which are given as example. Okay, you can see in the book also. You see, okay. अब अर्को डिफरेन्स के हुन सक्छ भन्दाखेरि यिनीहरुको चाहिँ फन्डामेन्टल युनिट भनेको इन्डिपेन्डेन्ट हुन्छ हो। यसले के मिन्स गर्छ Okay, next one is the fundamental units measure the fundamental quantity. They measure the fundamental quantities whereas the derived unit measure the derived quantity. Derived quantities. Okay, it measure the derived quantity. Okay, these are the difference between the fundamental and derived unit also, and you got the definition also. Okay, so definition is a difference is right. So case of problem right. अब तपाईले के गर्नु पर्यो भन्दाखेरि यो बुकहरु फलो गरेको छ भने यो चाहिँ हेर्नुस् बुकमा है, क्लास 8 को पनि बुक हेर्दा हुन्छ। क्लास 8 र 9 मा खासै फरक छैन। ओके, अनि यसमा के कन्फ्युजनहरु छ भने मलाई सोध्दा हुन्छ है। अनि यसमा चाहिँ एक दुईवटा कुराहरु बाँकी छ, त्यो चाहिँ हामी पछिको क्लासमा गर्छौं। हुन्छ? के प्रब्लम छ यसमा? एनी प्रब्लम यार? ओके ल, आजलाई यति नै गर्छौं है त त्यसो भए। हुन्छ? फर्स्ट क्लास भएकोले हामी धेरै पनि नलियौं है। Read these notes also, or you can read the book also. Okay, thank you class and have a nice day.